You look very drunk. You are definitely drunk. Alright, do you guys know what a circle pit is? Do you know what a circle pit is, right? Okay, right. Now, halfway through this next song, we're going to break it down for you, okay? We're going to stop. Charlotte is going to stop. And we want to see a circle pit in the middle. Okay? Now, we won't start the song again until the circle pit is big enough. And then I'm going to say, Slovenia, go fucking crazy! Are you ready? Here we go! Okay, now we want to see the circle pit as big as you can make it. As big as you can make it. That's good. That's good. Bigger, 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 bigger. Yeah, let's go!